Okay, today I am going to show you how to make some edible Christmas decorations. You can actually, especially if you're in a cooler or cold climate, you can keep these out on a table covered with something. We're in a warm climate, so you might be able to tell the chocolate looks a little bit hazy. It's because it's been in the refrigerator. It makes it a lot easier to work with. So first we have little mini Rolos. We have a package of regular sized, I got the white chocolate peanut butter cups. Then we have 5 of the mini cups. And then we have 5 of the Hershey Kisses. I did these brown and white striped. You could do cookies and cream if you want just white. You can actually get the almond if you just want brown. I'm thinking these are actually going to turn into Christmas trees. So I'm thinking of white for snow, which is something we'll never see, but that makes me think of Christmas. So we're going to show you exactly how to put these together. Okay, so as you can see, we already have a few little trees. Oh, and I knocked one over. So I'm going to show you exactly how I put these together. You can actually use just smaller peanut butter cups if you want to, but I like the Rolo. You want to take the indented side, put that down, and we're using icing, just regular cake icing, as our glue. So I'm going to drop of icing right there. The large peanut butter cup upside down. Another dab of icing. The small peanut butter cup upside down in the center of that one. And one more dab of icing glue and the Hershey Kiss on top. And over time these will set up, but we do have this icing, so next we need to decorate these just a little bit. Okay, as you can see, some of the trees are already decorated, and this time I've been using the smaller gel to decorate. This time we're going to do one in icing, but to do so we need a bag, because that icing is much thicker than the gel. So we've cut a little hole in a sandwich bag right here, and I'm just going to take a little bit of this yellow icing. See, you don't even need to buy decorator tips either. Fill that up with a little yellow icing. And squeeze it toward this hole. And now I'm just going to go around the tree. Actually, that works even better then. So we can go ahead and do a star, or something that looks like a star, on the top of these trees that are done. So once again, regular cake icing and the remnants of a little bag. So we're going to go ahead and do the last tree, and then we are going to move on to the ornaments. Okay, so with this last tree, for right now, we have a little bit of the yellow icing left. I don't want to waste it, so we're going to do this one multicolor. So there's the rest of our yellow icing. And do some blue on this one with the yellow and blue make green, so let's see what happens. You just want to swirl this around maybe 1/4 of an inch from the tree itself, and it will stick and set up. And you're not going for perfection. If it drips a little bit, just adds to it. Okay, so lastly, our trees of course need ornaments. So the icing and gel that is on the trees will provide the glue to stick the ornaments. And whatever falls on the plate, you can just leave that there. And if you want to get really intricate about it, you can of course just take some of these and stick them into the tree. For instance, you can decorate it just like a tree at your house if you wanted to. Do the green. But I'm just going to shower these a little bit. The gel decorator gel, that will cling much better than the regular cake icing does. So for cake ice trees, you might want to push a few of these in with very clean hands, of course. So now we have little decorated Christmas trees. And like I said, you can put a clear cake cover on top of this, set it on a table, and if you have guests, offer them a tree when they arrive. These also make great gifts too. And these will go in with the chocolate peanut butter cookies that we made the bags for in another video. So hope this is helpful. I hope you enjoy. This does take some time. But they're very unique. No one is the same. So if you like our channel, please like, share, and subscribe.